Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see and restore different version of a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So let's go into the step number 1. There are 3 ways to access this. So we have first option menu, so go to the file, then select version history and see version history. So here then you have also shortcuts, so Ctrl, Alt, Shift and H on Windows. On the Mac would be Command, Option, Shift and H. And yeah, click on it and now you will see here basically the versions. So last edits and a few weeks, months ago, you will see what we have changed. Now, here you can select also named versions, but I don't have it right now. So all the versions here. So if I go here, I can see what I have changed. And what I can do is basically I can click here on this button, restore this version. And what will happen is that this version will be basically override here what I have now. And yeah, basically, okay, so if I click on this, so restore this version that I show you, your current document will revert to the version from April 9. So restore, and as you can see now, the version I went back with this version, and yeah, this is basically everything. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.